Hello, today we will see a hands-on session regarding making a text file from the voice notes using audio tools. So myself T. Kriba Devi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, working in Dr. MJ Educational Research Institute, going to explain you the demonstration of generating text file from voice notes using Otter.ai tool. So today we'll see how the demonstration is going to happen. So we'll go to Chrome, we'll type Otter.ai. This is actually a voice meeting notes. It is used to record voice notes and generate a text file. So if you see the layout itself, it is very simple and easy, friendly to use. So now it is like it is basically for recording voice notes. So two types of inputs can be given. One is direct voice notes can be given as input to record and directly converting into a text file, whereas the next option is importing your audio or video file. Now let us see how this recording is happening. So we'll create a title as meeting 1. Right, so we will start with this. Recording is started. So in today's video I'll show a demonstration on how I do transcription automatically using AI. This AI will be using an app called Otter.ai. This Otter.ai is a web application which provides speech to text transcription. This Otter converts live speaking into written transcription. A consumer evaluated report that the app's operators make no promises of privacy. Otter was trained with machine learning on millions of hours of audio recordings. Otter premiered at the Mobile World Congress in 2018. Now if you see, this is available as a desktop app or a mobile app. It is simple and user-friendly. It is powered by AI. The app is assured as an accurate and fast working app. It allows 600 minutes of free transcription every month. It is browser-based app. Now it is pretty cool. It has so many options like sharing the link with multiple people, either collaborating their mail address or generating a link and sharing with them. You can edit the transcript which is generated anytime. Even you can add images, or you can make a copy or a segment of it and do necessary changes. You can easily export the text document which is created from this app. Personally, it is like you have an option called rematch. This rematch will make you easier to refer the speaker names. Now if suppose in the conversation two people are there with the difference in the voice tone, it will be identifying the speaker 1 and speaker 2. So it also has subject matter concept which is used to highlight the keywords in the content. With the highlights you can easily track down the information and change the link or change the idea if necessary. So let's have a quick look overview on the free open source app called Otter.ai, with which I'll stop my recording. In this, if you hit the record, it will start capturing the conversation. If you hit pause, it will stop the recording. So let us stop the recording. If you want to add photo, you can go here, you can add a photo using this particular icon. Now if you want to comment on something, like suppose something is doubtful or something like that, you can highlight it and comment. If you want to highlight something also, that can be done here, like I highlighting this and this highlight is added, right? So all these are available, readily available options are here. So whatever I have studied, it has mentioned here, right? So let me go. Before actually you start your conversation, or when the first time when you start your recording, it will ask you to log in. So you need to log in, right? And it is giving you only 600 minutes fee per month. If you want, you can upgrade yourself, right? So with this, your conversation is ready. If you see, you are getting a notification as such, the conversation is converted, right? So we'll stop the recording. Once you stop the recording, in the my conversation, you have the list of recordings which you have done previously. Now I have generated a recording called meeting 1. So if you go and see there, you will have the conversation, whatever is done is been there. Since I have said everything is mentioned as speaker 1. If suppose other person is there, it will be mentioned as speaker 2, and so you can replace the speaker 1 with my name and speaker 2 with the other person name. So it is easy for you to highlight. Now to track on the keywords, like who has said this point and who has said that point, something like that, you can track on by using the clicking on the keywords, right? If you see, like transcription has occurred like 5 times. So in order to go through transcription automatically using AI, this AI will be using an app called Otter.ai. This Otter.ai is a web application which, so like this you can easily track down the point if it is a lengthier data, right? Then also you have certain highlighted points, since there is a feature of highlighting the terms. If it is very doubtful or whether if it is very important, you can highlight it. Now if suppose you need some changes, like you want to edit some grammatical mistake is there, or the way it is framed is not right somewhere, because everything what we pronounce, it will not be typed as such, right? But with the minimum correction it will be done. So you can do the editing work here by using edit option. You can change everything, and you can easily add images also of the speakers if necessary. Now once it is done, you try to export it. So export the text as such. I am exporting in the form of text. If you want, you can include speaker name and the other. Then continue. Your file will be downloaded like a text file. Now when you open it, you will have a text file. You copy this into your Word and you do the necessary formalities. Right. This is how the conversion of voice message into text happens directly by giving input as voice. The next is when everything is done, you can easily import this also to your friends, right? To share with your friends. So for that you have to go to share, and you can type your email address here, or you can create a link and share the created link with your friends, right? This is how the sharing is done, conversion is done. Now when I move on to home, I said you can give input in 2 ways. One is by directly giving voice information, or you can import audio or video file. Now let me add a file, audio file, and I'll show you how this happens. So I'll go to my downloads. I have a small story. Arthur. Meeting 1. Arthur. Okay, it's a small story, and it is some 3-minute story. It is an audio file. I'm trying to convert that audio file into a text file. That is also possible here, right? So our main idea is to give a voice command and generate a text file which is necessary for us. The converted text file should be easily editable so that you can do necessary corrections and project it to a higher official. Now this is mainly used for recording minutes of meeting, like when the conversation is very lengthier and you don't have any person to or 2 minutes of meeting, you can open this app and keep, so that the recording happens generally, naturally. So finally you can convert that as text and do some editing work. So it saves your time, right? So browse your file, uploading is done and done. Now what will happen is it will start your conversion, right? It is in processing. If you see in my conversation, the file which I gave is order and it is in processing. Since it is a lengthier file, like for 3 minutes file, it takes some time. In meantime, I'll brief you the other points, like you can create groups. Suppose you have some meeting group, some 10 people will be there in your meeting always. Then you can create a group and you can invite them also. After meeting, you can prepare a MOM and send particularly or share the link to the particular people. That is also possible by creating a group. And naturally you can create a folder and store the events in the form of folder, date wise or month wise, and that way. So all these are readily available options. Only thing is they have given 600 minutes free for 1 month. So next month again they will be giving 600 minutes. Since the meeting will be happening like weekly once, I believe this the time what they have given will be sufficient enough for us to use it in a free option. Rather than going for premium option and all, you can do it in a free option. So now it is in still in processing, but still I want to open and see whether it is started or not. So if I open and see, it is like they have given based on the gap, it has generated, like with the difference in the time, it has generated the paragraphs, right? So if you see, the story is being converted and finally it will be showing like it is done. Right? And a few keywords have been identified. Now when you click on a keyword, it will say like once it has occurred like this, and it comes with this particular minute or period of time. So it is easy for you to do. Again, you can share this particular data to anybody whom you want, right? So this is how voice conversion is done and text is being generated. Now finally, if you see, it gives you notification that your conversion is done. If you open and see, the whole file will be available for you. And if you see in this particular concept, so many speakers have been used. Like so speaker 1 says that speaker 2, speaker 3 differentiates the voice tone and the speakers also. So it is easy for you to identify, even though it is framed in a flow, you can identify the occurrences of the speakers, right? So with this this voice typing conversion to text is over, and this otter.ai is so much helpful for you. So today we'll see the other point, which is assignment for this particular topic. So you need to export a text document using otter.ai tool. For the meeting recordings owing to this lockdown conducted in your institution. So based on the lockdown meeting, you need to record, give input either as a direct voice recording or as any voice file, convert it into text and post as the assignment. Thank you for patience listening. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much.